All right, this is Sean again, and we're going to go through just connecting a Stripe data feed via mobile, and just to run through some of the multi-currency that we've just demonstrated on the dashboard platform. So on Android and iOS, the layout is very similar to the web. The top left we get our menu structure, and so what we're going to do now is we're just going to have a quick look at the accounting transactions that we created. So I'm going to go to my chart of accounts. And I'm going to choose my Chase bank account, and in here you'll see everything that we've done on the previous transaction. So this was the $500 transaction that we split amongst various different currencies. So here what we can do is if we edit this, for example, we can just show you that everything is the same in these platforms. You can see we also get the auto adjust on this. So this time we'll choose Euro and save. So what I want to show you here is that everything that we have on the web platform is available on mobile as well. Over here we had our transfer, our cross-currency match from our accounts payable to our USD transaction, and here you can see it. You can edit base amount, or you can navigate and see that transaction. So as far as accounting goes, everything that was on the web is available on mobile as well. So you don't have to go to the web. You can use the mobile if you need to. Right, so then let's go jump into banking. Right, so in the web demonstration, we connected one of the Stripe bank accounts, and the one nice thing about Stripe banking is you can connect more than one account. So I know a lot of people use sub-accounts, as we do. And so what we'll do is we'll go through connecting the account. So we'll just choose connect, and you get the option of what accounts to connect, and I'm going to choose Stripe. Again, we get the same questions that we get, and I'm just going to choose all my transactions, create customers, and then when I click sync, we'll go to the Stripe to connect. Right, so just like the web, you get a choice. So this time I'm going to choose a different account, and I'm going to choose to connect that. So the flow is exactly the same. You'll come back to mobile, and here you'll see that we are busy refreshing, and I'll just pull it down to refresh, but we're still pulling in transactions. Once that refreshing stops, we can then have a look at what we've got. So for large accounts, this can take a while. This account only has a few hundred transactions, so it should be pretty quick. Right, so what we've got is we've now pulled in, again, 3 transactions. They're slightly different, and if we have a look in them, let's just choose a date range of all. All right, so if we look at them, we can see the transactions, and you can see most of these transactions have pretty much been categorized because they're just charges and fees. If we go to the GBP one, the pound transaction, you'll see more uncategorized, and this is because these are issuing transactions. So we've issued cards in Stripe and are using those cards to purchase things. So although we do, within this, we do actually pull out the correct vendor or create the correct vendor, as you can see down the bottom, which is also a huge time saving if you're doing this. And and from here you can reconcile this if you had created an invoice in Fiskl, or you can make it billable. You can split it, you can match it, you can do everything that you would do. You can add attachments. So it's a very comprehensive accounting on the mobile as well. Right, so if we have a look at those those invoices that we created and these ones that were auto matched. So I just want to show you what it looks like on the mobile. So if we go to the payments tab of this, you'll see that this payment has been matched, and we can then link to the account transaction, which shows us the match, and we can see everything that's happened. So yeah, once again, everything, just to demonstrate, everything on the mobile is available, almost everything, and there's some things on mobile that is not on the web, but that's for another day. So yeah, so that's just a demonstration of how the multi-currency and the Stripe integration work on the mobile device. All right, thanks.